Those blood slides that I found in your apartment, they look like the ones we found in Dose's car.
Yeah.
Are you the Bay Harbor Butcher?
There's Mary's earrings that I took from her after.
Those earrings are evidence. What is the first goddamn rule of the code?
Don't get caught.
Why did you take them?
I wanted to remember
Remember what?
to kill.
They're trophies.
You're the Bay Harbor Butcher.
I really hate that name.
I always knew there was something with you.
This shit? What can I say? You were right about me.
You have these character choices. You can be Dahmer, Jack the Ripper, Bay Harbor Butcher.
I am the Bay Harbor Butcher.
I should probably turn myself to a